Hello everyone, this is Remember Gumare from a company called Membi Holdings. Membi Holdings is a company which specializes in forensic auditing, risk management, accounting, business advisory, tax consulting, and any other business services. So today we are going to talk about business financial mistakes and how to avoid them. But this series I'm going to do it in two parts, which means this is the first part, and I'm going to do next time I'm going to do the part B, or the second part. The first reason that I found is I say not focusing on cash flow. So when you are running a business, always need to focus on cash flow. You need to know how much is coming in and how much is going out, which means you need to stay on top of things. There must be always movement of money. You mustn't spend much more than what you are getting. So first reason I say you need to focus on cash flow. So your mistake would be not focusing on cash flow. The second reason I said not paying attention to loan interest and rates and other charges. As you are running the business, you always need to check your bank statement now and again. I remember some other time ago I realized that there's a certain company called Clientele. They were deducting money from my account, but I didn't know. But I've never had any contract with them. So you always need to check how much is going out and to check your bank statement, how much is going out. And also you need to check the loan interest. If you have borrowed money from bank A, you must be knowing how much interest they are charging you. If you don't check, they might be overcharging you, or even the repayment period might be longer than what you have agreed. So we always need to check this. The third reason I said not preparing for a rain day. This COVID-19 lockdown have taught us that you can't put all your eggs in one basket. They will crash. If they crash, you are in trouble. It have taught us that you need to always have a saving somewhere, somehow. You need to have a money which is put aside for the rain day. So by not preparing for a rain day, that's a very dangerous mistake. Reason number 4, I said running a business without a budget. Any business that you run needs to have a budget. So you need to check, you need to have a budget, and you need to stick to that budget. So not having a budget will cause a business to be in financial problems, or also to overspend. You might end up spending more than what you have budgeted. The fourth mistake I said, making big purchases early in the business. You might be doing well in your business, but there are some big purchases that you are not supposed to do. Just let's say you are running a manufacturing company. Sometimes you might realize that outsourcing might be cheaper than having your own machines, because the cost of buying those machines might be too high. So you always need to avoid making big purchases early in the business. The sixth mistake I said, manage your money well and not managing your cash flow well. Failing to manage your cash flow well, or your money well, would be a dangerous mistake that you can make in your business. You need to be aware of all the hidden costs. You need to pay in time, and you need to know who is not paying you in time. The seventh reason I said mixing business and personal monies. Sometimes if you are an entrepreneur, if you are a small business, you might make a mistake that there might be a mixture of business and personal finances. So there must be a thick line in between, that you know that the businessman is businessman. You can't swipe business money for any other personal needs. So if you want to pay yourself a salary. If you want to do yourself an allowance, give yourself an allowance and use that allowance to cover your personal expense. Reason number 8, I said not choosing a legal structure for your business. So as you are running a business, if you check on our YouTube videos that we have done before, we have mentioned different types of business structures that you find in South Africa. So you need to go and watch that video. So not choosing a legal structure for your business might be a dangerous mistake that you can know. So you need to know which type of business type that you are doing. Is it a sole proprietary? Is it a partnership?